all are thinking about investing in various places. But why don't you think about strong and steady market like S&P 500? So, if you want to know about it, what you have to do, just study. What are the good markets to invest and create extra income? If you don't have proper place, just visit us. Trustmax is always there to help you. But the thing is, if you don't think about your future, nobody will think about it. Nobody will there to help you. You have to take action. You have to invest in various places. You would have taken this step 10 years before, but today still no delay, you can think about it. But the problem is, when you are investing money, you have to think about your passive income also. You can't put all your money in one place. You have to divide into various aspects. Real estate, stocks, coins, whatever it is. But try to keep alternative options when you want to invest money. And also, if you are looking for like autopilot system, passive income, generating more and more income, then think about various places. But S&P 500, or we can call other equity market, European market, American market, all the markets are like high volatility system now because of the COVID, but this is the time to invest and grab the shares. This is a units. We call, you can say unit, but whatever the way, you can grab it, but study it. You know it's highly volatile, and normally don't put your money like if you need for emergency place. If you have some allocated funds to like keep in long run, just invest. But my opinion is everybody have to think about retirement. No matter what, you have to create a fund. Okay, everybody has to think about the children education. You can't say that I don't have money to send you higher studies. So as a parent, definitely you have to think about it. So whether the condition is very tough and very critical, still we have to think about those goals. Those goals belongs to us. If you don't work on that goals, who is going to do it? Nobody is there to do it. So that's why we always tell our people, our clients, our friends that try to increase your extra income avenues and invest money on those things. Get education, get information. Try to find out the way you can maximize your capital and try to increase the avenues that money coming in. Now when you see your expenses, you have many number of various places to pay money. But is there any now like way that you can get money? No, because it is in our hand. We have to develop it. If we don't develop it, nobody is going to give it to you. That's why we always tell you, we always invite you, just try to create additional income, just try to create various places to invest your money and get more than that. But the thing is, when you don't know the place, you cannot going to find it out. Nobody will come to you and tell it. Even I have a lot of friends, lot of clients. Actually, they never ever thought about buying and holding coins, buying and holding shares. Sometimes I tell them, okay, why don't you put a small amount? That small amount. The last year, some people put money in S&P. Today, it is 180. So when I tell them that it was like 1,200. So that 1,200 to $1,000 means they have gained that capital gain. So it's the market, but nobody can predict it. Anytime can go down also. That's why we are introducing normally guaranteed way to get it. But think about it. So we can always work on, and if you really want to do it, we are always there to help you. We are not giving you to ask you to put all your money, but allocate some money for those places. But before you put your money, just do due diligence. Otherwise, nobody can say that it is this much. No, it is like highly advisable to go through those things, get information and invest your money. I always say try to create additional income. All the best.